up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, like, I've been gone for so long. I've been gone for so long. Do I look different? Did I lose some weight? So, my first video back. Let me scratch that. I'm not doing nothing how I used to do it because I be getting jumbled up when I do that. So, I'm just talk to y'all as if I'm talking to myself. And then I get more comfortable, you know, because I usually talk to y'all as if I'm talking to y'all, and I'd be like, anybody looking? But anyways, I came to y'all to show y'all how I install my wig. Okay. And before I get into installing it and gluing it down and all that other type of stuff, I'm not a professional. Okay. I literally do this once in a blue moon. So if it doesn't look right, what do you want from me? I'm trying. I'm trying to give y'all something. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm just showing y'all how I'm bald-headed. I have a big forehead. I'm just going to display that now. So, I'm not, like, embarrassed or anything for, like, looking bald-headed on camera. We all family here. There's no judgment. Oh, Lord. I ain't like that. Y'all should have seen me. I was looking a mess. I was not finna go out like that. I'm just gonna show y'all how I glue down my wig. Well, I haven't worn this wig in like I don't know how long, but I'm just show y'all how I glue it down, how I install it. I already got my gel braids in, so all I need to do is glue it on. And I'm not really gonna worry about my cap because I usually just go to work, glue it on, and then rip that mug off. So I'm not really gonna do that much. But I'm gonna put the wig on my head how I usually put it on there. I don't know why I took it all the way off. Okay. Okay, it's huge. We all see it. Okay. Alright, so I'll just flip my little corners up like that. Flip them up. Actually, I'm finna cut it. I'm finna cut some of this edge off because like my edges are like so like I don't know, they're not even repairable. Like they're not cooperating, they're hard, and it's like, yes, this is me. Yeah, this is me. Push my edges down. Oh, let me show y'all how it looks. So it looked like this, and then if you can see against my hand, the edges look like that, so I'm cutting that off. Look how thin that is. Those was my edges. I'm sorry. I just need something on my head. I do. So all of it is off, and it just look like, oh, it just looks so weird. All right, so after I got done cutting that off, I'll just go around, make sure there are no other parts that I need to cut off. Okay, put it on like that. Hold on. I hope I didn't cut it too much. So I'm gonna just fold this up. I like to glue it with this got to be, so I just rub a little bit. That stuff starts to drip, and I just rub that down. Okay, so I already cut the edge. I think I want it like that, but I might change it. I'm just going down to the rest of my edges and making them. Okay, I like that. finally got them crowbars. I'm just adding a little glue here and there to keep my lace just glued down. And again, I'm just applying it. I'm not professional. All right. Right now I'm gonna put this shit in the nitty-addy-o. I'm trying to stop cursing. Do what I gotta do. This one looked like it was already cut. Let's hope. My hands are sweating. Okay, let's hope and pray. That's gonna have to be it. Cause I ain't gonna be messing with it all day. The greasiest clip. I was sitting here flat ironing, and the freaking flat irons was off. Oh my god, I ain't see no smoke or nothing. I'm just steady going. I'm on the third part. I gotta start over. I don't know why, but I like it. Alrighty then. It is what it is. So this is the final result of me installing the wig, gluing it down, re-putting edge on her because my last edges was looking a mess. Oh. Dang, I wish I had a better angle, but I don't. Yeah, this is how I look on that side, and then this is how I look on that side. If I had some lashes on, it would make this look better. I don't know why I just look like I'm bald-headed. Don't worry about the laddering stuff because the bathroom can fix something. Thank y'all for watching my video. If you like videos like this, make sure you just spaced out for a second. What is it? Make sure you. Thank y'all for watching my video and seeing how I install my wig. If you like videos like this, make sure you press the link. What the heck? I tried to put on some lashes, but my eyes is watering now, but it's fine. If you like videos like this, make sure you press that post notifications button so you don't miss when I post, and press that like button if you like. And press that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see y'all next time on my channel.